All right, this is Brother Dale Moss coming at you with another video of helping you out. And I know most of you guys have been able to recognize this and done this with PC 101, but I just want to do a friendly reminder as to where you can find and know of your feedback on your assignments. Most times, if you've given, been assigned an assignment, you've gone through your assignment, and then some corrections or even some feedback have been given back to you. I just want to remind you how and where you can find that, and the different methods and scenarios that I give for me as what I like to do as an instructor. As you know, you can always go. So here I've got the student view in front of us that we have here. I'm going to move my little picture a little bit over in the corner so you can see it. If you go into grades over here, or here you hit grades, and then you look over here and stuff like that too, you're going to see all your assignments are popping up and stuff like that too. There are spots where you can find out where your feedback is. So if I did a snapshot of this. So over here on the far side, if you were to see that, you can click on this, and I'm going to show a screenshot of this, of what it looks like. So we click on grades, and then you have your assignments that are sitting right here. Then over here on the far left, if you see any of this kind of stuff over here, that means that there's some kind of a feedback been given to you to help you out to know what information I've provided. Now, and you can click on those and it can go from there. The other part is, I'm going to go in here to another screen. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, so this is a person's name, person's one that I've had before, and this is part of the first first of the things. I think it's week 2's assignment for resumes. As you can see, we have some information. I'll do some highlights on here on your thing, and I'll make some notes here. As you can see here, as specifically, so they're color coordinated. So this one's red, so it talks about this one here. This one is a little bit yellow or orange, which talks about this one. Then you have this box around here, which is more of a purple, pinkish color, and that information there. And then these yellow highlights in yellow here talk about some stuff here. So these are the kind of feedbacks that you get to. Now, over here on the far right side, as you've seen in the past, and I don't know how your previous instructor or instructors have done this, but you'll also see there may be some notes that are in each one of these on the rubric that are provided down here. So if I were to go in here and change this person's grade, and stuff like that, I'm going to go here to the far. It doesn't show it at this point, but you can sit there and put a note in there, and then it'll pop up underneath here for this stuff, okay? And then down here is where I will leave some notes. And as you can see, for this specific student that I've given video feedbacks to, like I'm giving you a video information now, and you'll give you a link, and then I'll share some, like a spiritual thought or a thought that relates to this, and then share it with you for this whole thing. And you can cut and paste or even access that information, and it can give you more details on what you're doing. Okay, as this person says, the video was very helpful and did a lot of good. I have studied the video over and over again with a view to understand and correct the highlight errors in my resume. I'm grateful. So this person specifically was grateful for this scenario. So that's where you're gonna be able to find all your feedback for anything that you have on any assignment that you have. Okay, so again, marked up here on your assignment here with notes here. There could be notes that could be inside each one of the levels in your rubric, and as well as down here, and doing video feedback that you can access, that you can go back and watch as many times as you want to. Now, just be aware, if I send video feedback, I use it through Screencast-O-Matic, and it shows if you've accessed your feedback or not on the videos. And most times on about almost half the assignments in this class, the resumes ones for sure, the email one, some of your project ones where I will give you video feedback on, so that you can have it, because I sometimes think that you can see it and hear it, and then sometimes you forget what I talked to you about or what I wrote, and you can go back and watch it as many times as you want to. But like I mentioned, you can see it and I can see if you've accessed it or not, so I can tell whether it's important to you or not, or if you're dissatisfied with the grade or whatever. But like I said, if you've submitted the assignment on time and redo the assignment or submit it again, and even that resubmission is late, I will waive all late penalties for that. Okay. And if you have any issues or concerns, I know things come up in our lives and changes our schedule of things, and sometimes we're not able to get things done on time like you wanted to, or I would like to have had it for myself. You just need to reach out to me and express some scenarios that I will be able to work with you in that whole thing. Okay. So if you have any questions or concerns, remember, we're here to do this together. We're on the same team. We're in the same family. We're all together in helping ourselves be successful, because we know that's what part of God's plan, and that's why we're here on this earth, to be able to return to Him. And all of us want us to do the same thing. All right. Enjoy. Happy New Year, and I look forward to working with you for the rest of this semester.